to remember, this is how it is involved. And throughout till this place, it will be sodium which is open. Different channels are there, but it is sodium that is open till here. Then it is the potassium that is a little less negative, and then calcium for that plateau, and then to repolarize, it's the delayed rectifier potassium channel. That's it. So here from minus 90, it is the depolarization happens immediately. How do I remember this is, let's take an analogy where there is a bucket, there is no tap, someone is pouring water into it. So immediately the bucket fills into the with water, right? Same way this is happening. Okay. Then when the action potential is generated, basically myocardial cell will undergo contraction and eject the blood out. Okay. So this is happening in the myocardial cell. Next is the SA nodal. SA nodal, we have a different analogy. Here, SA node is having a tap. Let's consider it's like a bucket with a tap. Means SA node can generate its own action potential. That's why we say this SA node has its own tap. Just an analogy. So it will fill the bucket drop with water. Means how that is related is, it is slowly increasing and then it peaks. It's not here like here where there is no slow rise. It immediately peaks. No, here there is a slow rise. Okay, that rise is because of the funny channels, that is sodium potassium channels that is opening, that is causing this to rise. And then there is a plateau. This plateau is because of calcium. Even here the plateau was because of calcium being open channels. So here also it's calcium channel being open, this is the reason. Then what happens again, repolarization is the potassium. Repolarization means what? Potassium is moving out of the cell. So cell ulla vandu positive irundhathu, it will become less positive. That's why it is repolarizing. When you say sodium channels open, it is the sodium which is entering into the cell. So it becomes more positive inside the cell. So from negative it becomes positive. So this is inside the cell, it is minus 90, then becomes positive, then less positive, then there is a plateau, then becomes negative. That is it. So potassium is moving out, sodium is moving in. That is the reason why this is becoming positive. This, when potassium channels are opening, it becomes negative. So this is the analogy. SA node means it's with a tap, because it is able to generate its own impulse. While the myocardial cell, it's not having ability to generate its own impulse, but because the SA node is generating it for the myocardium. Myocardium can also generate impulse when SA node is not working. That is related with arrhythmias. So this is it about what is how the action potential is working in the heart, the myocardial cell, and also the SA node.